Howdy.
Can't even tell that there's a new starter in there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it works.
This is spicy, Bart.
Easy peasy.
So I'm pretty sure I was spot on that it's spinning, but it's not engaging with the flywheel or flex plate.
Yeah.
And then your tire, I didn't see it at first, but
Oh, we're bubbling.
there's something in there. I had a pair of pliers. It's like way down in there.
Fun.
Looks like some sort of screw.
There it is.
Little nail.
Little nail.
Right there.
Alright, where'd the plug hit?
I don't know. I also don't want to move so I don't lose it.
Fuck. Oh, where is it? Hold on.
Hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Plugging.
Yeah. At least it's down in the tread, so.
And it starts, okay. Come on in. No way.
So it's nice. Courtesy of Victor.
I had metal ones at Kincaid.
Yeah. I have a metal one. I couldn't find it.
I think heavy.
You ever broken one of the plastic ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've seen it. Did you stab yourself with it?
No. Come on! Having trouble sticking it in the hole. It's one of those things where you need like 4 hands.
Yeah, I know. Oh, I see what you... Yeah.
Ah! Ow. I am ready for bed.
He does have the plastic handle one if you can't get it through.
I'll get it in.
Are you determined to put it in?
Yeah. You're next.
What?
Yeah, you heard me.
Your hair's getting grayer.
It's because I have to put up with you guys.
You want to redo the intake manifold on that one?
No. There is, Brian noticed it, the carb is leaking fuel.
On?
This.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. We'll video it and just
Yeah.
let Danny know.
There we go.
There's my hole. Yeah, find the hole now.
It was messed up along one of these. It's over here. Oh, there it, I think right there.
Right there. Daddy found it.
What?
Oh, God.
Tight hole?
Yeah, really tight hole.
That's not what I meant.
What?
That's not what I meant.
Jesus.
I don't want to show your butt crack.
Why not?
Because your pants are halfway down.
There we go. Get in. Get in there, baby. You fighting me? Yep, definitely fighting me. Make that hole a little bigger.
Yeah. Well, you guys get the point.
Yep.
Yep, show you when it's done. Alright, Danny, it's safe to say that your carb has been leaking for a decent little bit. There's fuel down in there, and then your carb is covered in who knows what.
What?
That's definitely not safe, so I'd get that taken care of pretty quick here.
Yeah, I'll send that to him right now.
Yeah. But that's it. Your starter's in, it fires right up, and your tire's plugged, and it's holding pressure, so quick and easy. That's it.
Easy peasy.
Yep.